3 AI tools that gives you access to motion control for free. 3 AI tools that you can use to generate this. You want to create cinematic motion control AI videos without spending a dime. This video is for you. What you just watched, I generated it using only free tool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I will show you how to generate smooth motion control videos using AI, all completely free. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment on the comment section. All right, let's get started. First step is you heading over to Pinterest. You need the video or the motion you want to create. Okay, so let's go with the dance like I just generated. You click on dance video. There are so many of them. There are so many AI video, dancing videos, any of the dancing steps you need or any of the motions, download it. The next step is you going to ChatGPT, requesting for an image, all right, an AI generated image. Now you have to describe the kind of image you want. Like I typed on my ChatGPT, I wanted a beautiful Chinese girl. Okay, so you need to describe what you want. If you want an AI baby dancing video, describe the image. What you're to generate is the image, okay? Make sure you get the particular image that befits what you want to the motion AI you control you want to do. But these two video images given to me are okay, but I prefer the she sitting down. So I will have to do some editing and get the one she's standing, or I'll go with this. That is the second. Now the third step is you going to your browser, search for Kling AI, click on it and open it up. Now you can access it on your phone or laptop. Now Kling AI gives you Kling motion control. When you get to the platform gives you 66 credit for free. Okay, sign up to claim it, then you click on continue. This platform gives you 66 credit for free. Then you need to answer all this before heading over to the main page. Now this is how the main interface looks like. Okay, no much stress, just head over to control, motion control. Okay, click on got it. There is free daily credit equally, but once you log in you get 66, which is enough to generate your video. Now once you click on it, it pops up this way. In case you want to subscribe, as low as $5 you get credit. $10 very cheap. As low as $5 you'll be able to get about 300 and something credit. Now click on motion control. Okay, once you click on motion control, this is how it looks. You can see all these motions. You can do any of them. These are all AI. You see all this. All right, now here there are two boxes. One is for the video, one is for the image. Okay, now this I think is okay this way. All right, now we have 3 trials, all right, for free. Okay, right here is where you key in the video you downloaded from Pinterest. Okay, the video you got from Pinterest, that is what you're to key in here. So that is where you click and input the video. The next is the image. You're to key in. All right, the second box is the image. You see that this is my image. Okay, having got it now, for the free tool or for the free package, the video I added is too long. Okay, the video I added is too long, and if I should go with it, it will cost me more, about 180 credit. And remember, Kling AI only gave me 66 for free. Okay, so you doing up to longer video costs more money. All right, so if you're going for longer video, you can just subscribe for the $5. They have $5 package. But if you're going for a lesser seconds, about 4 to 8 seconds. All right, free package or the free credit can go. Now I had to remove that part, that one I uploaded earlier, because it was about 20 something seconds. Then I'm inputting another video that is of lesser um minutes, seconds. Okay, about 8 seconds. All right, before checking, let's see what it gives us and see how much. Now you can decide to click on audio like I clicked, or you can decide not to use the audio. All right, now you click on generate, it starts generating. Now this particular generation took me, cost about 40 something credit, and I was given 66. And on daily basis, when you log in, you get daily credits. So that is the first tool that gives you access to this video, that gives you access to motion control motions for free. Okay, now you have to give it some time to generate, and he has generated my video. You see that? That is it. So I'll just go ahead and click and download. All right, so the first tool you can use is Kling AI, which gives you login credits, which is usable. All right, you can use it to download. Now the second tool I will be introducing is One AI. Now One AI is completely free. Okay, One AI is a free motion control AI tool. Once you click on it, you need to log in. Okay, log in with your email. All right, if you have not logged in, you log in. Okay, you can log in with Google, or I have logged in. Now there is a daily check-in. When you log in, you're given a daily check-in. All right, but this is how you click on avatar. Come here, click on photo animate. Just follow the process. Click on avatar first, click on photo animate. Okay, the next thing you need to do is click here, upload from the device. What are you to upload first? You are uploading the AI image you generated, the one that ChatGPT gave to you, or any other image generator gave to you. You allow it to upload. All right, the next is the video. What video? That video, okay, that motion you want the other character to do, you want the AI character to do, or the motion you want the AI character to carry out. All right, that is what you upload. Right now, this particular AI tool allows 4 seconds to 10 seconds video. So if you have a longer video using this platform, what you need to do is divide it into two. Okay, if you have a longer video, you can either divide it into 2 or into 3 or into 4, multiple generation. Now I have, then I'll click on generate. All right, confirm. You wait for it, it starts generating. All right, now the only disadvantage in this particular tool, it is free. Yes, it is 100% free, but it takes time to generate. Now when you place it on, you have to give it time to generate. All right, this is another tool that gives you access to control motion, but just that right now it is not opening, but I just decide to add it so you can equally try it out. Figma Weave gives you access to control motion. Now this is One AI has generated my video. This is it. All right, just go ahead and download it. I will be playing it at the end. Remember to subscribe.